That one wasn't even tight. Hope these dudes ain't stripped out. Yeah, they look okay. Well, it's actually pretty new looking. I don't know what I've been looking into these. This thing's been replaced though. I don't know why I keep looking into these freshly changed ones. Yeah, this isn't very old. Yeah, it smells brand new. Well, we about to weld her up though. Spider. a little chunky, but it's not burnt for sure. It's pretty much new. There's some chunks in it though. I believe it's a hair low too. May not have filled it all the way up. Well, pretty good. I can smell it now. Whew. Yeah, you definitely can smell it now. And I got it in gear. Alright, I'll get some brake cleaner and spray it out real good. Start the cleaning process, but I think I can get to it pretty good to weld it here, so let me get some cleaner and we'll start cleaning it. While we're letting it drain a little bit, I did actually throw those on this car just to kind of get a look at it. I think you could put 20s on this thing. It needs to be lowered for sure. I don't know if we're going to run them on it. We're just stuck it on it to have something in case I want to move it till we get the drift spares ready. Maybe too wide, turning radius and all that. Once we set it on the ground, I don't know how the front will do, but I just threw them on it while we had it. Actually don't look too bad. But we'll tell more about it once we get it on the ground and get all this done. But alright, here we go. And just like the other diffs, we'll have to scrape the silicone off the sides where it was sealed. But this, a lot more of that cleaner in your face kind of stuff. So that's horrible. But we'll let that dry. After a round or two of this, then we'll get ready to weld it after all that. I won't do it today. I'll give it plenty of time to dry and all that. Yeah, so that should be good. Alright, we'll let her dry. We'll take some rags or something, stick in the bottom of it, try to get some of that residue out of the bottom so it actually dry all the way out. We don't want to catch fire. But I think we can weld that. So, alright, here we go. Alright, so I've learned that my MIG welder isn't hot enough to weld on like a diff or something this thick. So I'm not even going to show the no, not going to do it. So yeah, it didn't turn out good. That's the best I'm going to show, but it didn't turn out good, so I'm going to go, I got to go to the muffler shop anyway. I'm just going to leave the diff cover off. I can load it, unload it with the cover off. It ain't going to break anything, just loading and unloading. And yes, we'll do that and maybe get everything done I've got to do this week. And I got to get a load of tires mounted balance, so maybe Wednesday I can do that. So alright, we'll go from there, but absolutely not gonna work for welding it myself with this MIG welder. I'm gonna have to have a better one, I think. So didn't work out so good. But it's raining outside. I think I'm gonna call it a day. I will probably let this thing down, get ready to come and get it tomorrow, take it to the weld shop, go ahead and get the mufflers and stuff done, and weld the diff up because it's not turned out good. But all right, either way, here we go. Well, it's definitely loud. That's our little $400 car. All right, here we go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna call it a night. Thanks for watching our YouTube videos. Hey, like, subscribe, do all that stuff. We appreciate everything from everybody. We've got some new parts we're working on, so keep an eye out for Chesser Motorsports brand of actual parts. Be coming at you soon. You'll be able to get them on eBay. We're working on a website, so you know, to keep costs down and keep the price, you know, fairly reasonable on some of the parts. We're not going to overspend on, you know, websites and that type of thing. You can always get it at eBay. We may put it on Amazon, that type of thing. But for now, eBay is probably going to be primary place. But definitely, if you're into drifting, keep an eye out. Our parts are on the way. All right, here we go.
I'm feeling high.